Welcome back to new video guys. Mini plastic animal toys for kids cartoon collection video. Tiger, sheep, camel, black color buffalo, giraffe, horse, raptorosaurs, elephant, cow, cat, cockroach, T-Rex, donkey, tortoise, hippopotamus, lobsters, lion, spinosaurus, wild lion, fox, cat, goat, crab, elephant, snake, zebra, Godzilla, two-mouthed dinosaurs, T-Rex, crocodile, leopards, shark, kangaroo, panda, deer, jungle bull, lion, rabbit, dinosaur, dog, rooster, dolphins, white bear, cow, spider, white bear, zebra, Godzilla, gorilla, dog, leopards, panda, centipede, duck, kangaroo.